Hello! Let me show you how to set up the KILB Quiz plugin and how to set up your first quiz. First of all, log in into your Shopware administration area, enter your credentials, and click Login. Now go to My Extensions and make sure that the Product Quiz is installed and activated. Once the Product Quiz is activated, you will find a new navigation entry here. Click it. Now, the next thing you should do is to create a quiz. Enter the quiz title and save. Now enter an image URL that will be shown to the customer within the introduction of the quiz. But wait, as we don't have an image yet, we will open the Shopware Media Library and upload an image. Once uploaded, click on the three dots on the image and click Copy Link. The URL has been copied to the clipboard. Now go back to the KILB Product Quiz page. Edit the quiz and enter the URL. Once you enter the image URL, a preview of the image will immediately show just below the input field. Enter some intro text. The intro text will be shown right before the customer starts the quiz. Then enter some summary text. This is the text that will be shown after the customer completed the quiz. Next, choose a theme. My favorite color is green, so let's select the green grasshopper theme. For the intro layout, you can decide whether the text should be on the left side or the right side and where the image should appear. We just keep it as is, which means the title of the quiz and the Start button are on the left side of the screen, and the image you've just chosen is on the right side. Now we need to add the products. To do so, we need to find the product numbers of products you'd like to add. I will just randomly choose some products for demonstration purposes. Let's select this one. And this one. And maybe that one. Okay, this is enough. Now save the quiz. You'll find the Save button on the top right. After saving, you can manually add your questions. But to save time, we will not do so. Instead, we'll let the questions generate by AI. Just click the button here. As you can see, after a few seconds waiting time, the questions have been generated. Now you might run your shop in multiple languages. Every string, every text you add to the product quiz can be translated. Our shop in this example provides languages in German and English, but it will work for all languages. Instead of setting up the texts or translating the text manually, you can just click here. This will make the AI translate all the texts. Not only the text from the quiz title or intro text, but also from all the questions and answers. After a few seconds, the translations have been generated successfully. You can see now that all the texts have been translated. The next step is to embed the quiz in the front end. To do so, go back to the quiz page and find the ID of the quiz. Alternatively, you can look into the quiz edit page and find the ID here. Now select the ID and copy it. Then go to Shopping Experience. Choose a layout. Add a new block. Choose the category Commerce. Scroll down and you'll find the product Quiz block. Now drag and drop it to your layout and update the quiz ID you just copied. Then click Save. If you have the Shop cache activated, you should clear the cache. To do so, go to Settings, System, Caches and Indexes. Then, click on Clear Cache. Let's go to the Shop front end and see how our new quiz looks like. This is our layout we just adjusted. And voila, here is our quiz. You can see the nice green color because of the green grasshopper theme. You can see the uploaded image, the intro text, and the quiz title. Let's start the quiz and go through it. Finished, here we can see the summary page. That was all. Thank you for watching the video.